In this video, I'll be explaining to you JAMB 2026 and the admission procedure. What do I mean by this? I'll explain to you what you need to do for students preparing to write 2026 JAMB and then the procedure you need to take when seeking for admission. Now, before UTME 2026 exam, what do you need to do? Number one, you need to create profile code by using your NIN. So you generate a profile code by using your NIN. You're going to use your NIN together with your SIM card. Now that SIM card can be your father own, or probably it can be your mother own, or it can be your personal own. It's not compulsory for you to use the a SIM card you use to register NIN. It's not compulsory. So you can use anybody's SIM card to generate your profile code using your NIN. And then but just make sure that you have access to the SIM card. I mean, the SIM card is within you. Maybe in case if JAMB send any information to it, you can easily access it. So that's the first thing. And the next thing to do is to create an email account. When I'm talking about email account, I'm referring to a Gmail account, a Yahoo Mail, and some other ones. But the more preferable one is to create a Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, please create a Gmail instead of Yahoo Mail. Have the Gmail, let the Gmail account be your own personal Gmail account, because JAMB, you'll be sending a lot of information to your Gmail account, and ensure that you have access to the Gmail account. It's more preferable for you to have a Gmail account for your JAMB than you should have a Yahoo Mail. Now, the next thing is for you to do is to attend a UTME 2026 virtual or physical classes. Yes, for a student preparing for exam, it's very compulsory for you to attend a tutorial. Very compulsory. You can attend online tutorial, or probably you attend a physical tutorial. If you want an online tutorial, we conduct online tutorial for all art students, commercial, and even science students. And it's very effective. We use WhatsApp and Zoom platforms to teach. And our teaching will cover the whole syllabus. We have started now. So the price is there. You can check our adverts. The price is just 8,000 naira for a month per month. Monday to Friday is the classes, and weekend is for evaluation and then revision. Hope you understand. And also for this month of November, the student will join us with a half payment of 4,000 naira, because November is almost going to an end. But for subsequent months, it's 8,000 naira, and the tutorial will end April, because your exam is going to be April. And then the next thing to do, that's number 4, that is UTME 2026 registration. That's the main registration. And what I'll be doing is that I'll be making a video that will explain how to fill your UTME 2026 form, I mean JAMB form. So how to fill your JAMB form. So I'll be making a video on that. So if you need a video, go to the comment section and let me know that you need the whole format of how to fill JAMB form, so that you make mistake. Okay, so registration will start around, it will start by January 2026, January 25 or 26, one of the two. If you want more updates about admission, you can just come to my WhatsApp, then I'll add it to our platform. So whenever there is important information, we're going to drop it there for you to have access to it. So that's registration. And then the next thing is to, after registration, then the next thing is to print your mock exam slip. It's optional. While registering, then they'll ask you that, did you want to write mock? Do you want to sit for mock? So if you select yes, that means you are going to print your mock exam slip. So your own registration fee is going to be more expensive than those who did not select mock, who are not preparing to write mock. Now, what is the essence of that mock? The essence of mock is for JAMB to test run all the systems they have in CBT Center, and also is to prepare students ahead of the main exam. So that's the essence of writing mock. It does not have any bad, even if you scored 400 or 400 in your mock and your main exam is 200, your main exam counts over the mock. Mock is just to prepare you ahead of the main exam, and for JAMB to test run, to check their system whether everything is working perfectly. So after you have registered, then the next thing is to print your mock exam slip for those who want to write mock, and which is optional. After printing it, in the printing the exam, printing the mock exam slip, that one will contain your mock exam venue, the exam time, and the exam date, and your picture, and some other details, your personal about data. And the next thing is now 2026 mock exam, which is also optional. After you have known your exam date for the mock, time and venue, then you go down there to the civic center to go and write the exam. And I think after 2 days or 3 days, you're going to see the result for your mock. And the next thing after the mock is now the printing of the main 2026 UTME exam slip. So this one is compulsory for everybody. For those of you that registered JAMB, definitely you must print your exam slip. So this one is done free. You have access to the printing of your main 2026 UTME exam slip a week to the main exam. So like I said earlier, the main exam, JAMB exam for this 2026 will start April. So you are going to print your you are going to print your main 2026 UTME exam slip a week before the starting of the commencement of the exam. So, and it's free. Yeah. After printing it, then you hold it along with you, then you take it to the main exam center. That's the May 26th UTME examination. So the main UTME exam slip will comprises of your exam date, the time, the venue, the location. So that and then while going there, you have to go along with that printout because that's what you're going to tender. And when you get there, you're going to do a biometric thumbprint before you can start your exam. So these are the things you need to do before UTM 2026 examination. I'll be stopping this video here. So in my next video, that will be what you need to do after UTM 2026 examination. So what you need to do will lead you to admission. You understand? So anything you do after UTME examination will prompt your admission, whether you're going to secure admission or you're not going to secure admission. So that one will be after you have written your UTM 2026 examination. So if you need a video of my after UTME examination, just go to the comment section and tell me that you want the video that comprises what you should do, that comprises the procedure you should take after UTME 2026 examination. Thank you so much. Bye.